Good morning class. Today we'll see that what is Heron's formula and how to do it. You can see this picture. It is given the picture of the Heron who has found or who has derived the famous formula to finding the area of triangles in the terms of their sides. So here is that formula, area of triangle by Heron's formula. This is the formula. S means here given the number which we'll select, and A, B, C, which are the three sides of the triangle. So under root S bracket S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Let's see how you will do that in the copy. Here also you can see that before doing that we have to use this formula to find out the value of S. See, find the area of a triangle whose base length is 621 and the corresponding height is 12. In this simple formula we can use base is given this and height is given this, and by simple formula 1 upon 2 base into height you can solve this by doing the multiplication, cut it with the 12 and 6 left, 21 multiply by 6, so 126 centimeters square is the answer by normal method. Now here we will do the Heron's formula. Find the area of a triangle whose side are given 12 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 17 centimeter. In this you can see that all the three sides are different. Now we have to use this all the sides to be put in the values. A is now 12, B value is 15 and C value is 17. Now you can see that A, B, C plus them and divide by 2. So you will add all the values of this sides of the triangle, 12, 15 plus 17, and here divide by 2. So it is coming for 44 divide by 2, and that will be 22. Means the value of S is we got that is 22. Now what is the Heron's formula? As I told you, under root S and S minus A, S minus B, S minus C in the brackets. So we'll put the S value which we have found by adding them and dividing it by 2. So 22 will be written on the place of SS. Then A, B, C, which we have already made the sides of the triangle, but that is A is 12, B is 15 and C is 17. Now we will subtract them because it's in the bracket. First you have to solve the bracket. So S minus A means 22 minus 12, 22 minus 15, 22 minus 17, and you'll get here 11, 10. No, you are not getting this. You will, when you will subtract it, so you will get the numbers, and then you have to find out the factors of that. If you will see 22 minus 12, so it will give you only that 10. So 10 is here. Then the 22 minus 15, so that will give you 7, and 22 minus 17, so it will give you 5. So 5, 7, 10 and 11 is here. I think this is misprint, but no problem. So 22 here, and you will find out the factors if you can make the factors of them, and then you have to find out when it is making the pairs, so you will write it outside, and if it is not making pair like this 11 and 7, so this will be kept inside and the answer would be like this. So you have to do this question in the practice copy, so you can do it better by doing it the practice of this formula. Question 1, example 1, 2, 3 and 4 from page number 237 and 238 in your practice copy. Thank you.